Ever stared at a spreadsheet and felt like it was written in ancient hieroglyphics? Or maybe you've watched small business owners juggle books and wondered, there has to be a better way. You're not alone. We've all been there. And let's cut to the chase because you're here for a reason. You're wondering, in the vast ocean of skills and qualifications, if mastering a software like QuickBooks can actually land you a job. A real, paying, I can pay my rent kind of job. It's a valid question, right? In a world where AI and automation are constantly reshaping the job market, is learning a specific accounting software like QuickBooks still relevant? Is it a skill that employers actually value? Or is it just another digital tool that'll gather virtual dust on your resume? Let's break it down. Think about it. Every business, from the corner bakery to the multinational corporation, needs to manage its finances. They need to track income, expenses, invoices, payroll, and a whole slew of other financial transactions. And while some larger companies might have complex enterprise resource planning, ERP, systems, a vast majority of small to medium-sized businesses rely on user-friendly accounting software like QuickBooks. Why? Because it simplifies those daunting financial tasks. It's designed to be accessible, even for those who aren't accounting wizards. It's the digital equivalent of a well-organized filing cabinet, but with automated calculations and real-time reports. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Can you actually get a job just by learning QuickBooks? The simple answer is it's not a magic bullet. Learning QuickBooks alone might not land you the CEO position, but it opens doors to a wide range of career opportunities. It's a powerful tool that, when combined with other relevant skills, significantly boosts your employability. Think of it like this. Learning QuickBooks is like learning a widely spoken language in the business world. It allows you to communicate effectively with financial data. It allows you to understand the language of business. And just like knowing a foreign language can open up opportunities in international trade, knowing QuickBooks can open up opportunities in various financial roles. Let's look at some specific job titles where QuickBooks proficiency is highly valued. Bookkeeper. This is perhaps the most direct application. Bookkeepers are responsible for maintaining accurate financial records, and QuickBooks is a staple tool in their arsenal. Accounting assistant. Supporting accountants with various tasks, including data entry, invoice processing, and report generation, QuickBooks is a must-have skill. Payroll administrator. Managing employee payroll, including calculating wages, deductions, and taxes, often requires familiarity with QuickBooks payroll features. Administrative assistant/office manager. In smaller businesses, these roles often involve handling basic accounting tasks, and QuickBooks knowledge is a significant advantage. Small business consultant. Helping small business owners set up and manage their finances, QuickBooks expertise is crucial. And it doesn't stop there. With the rise of remote work, many businesses are looking for virtual bookkeepers and accounting assistants who are proficient in QuickBooks. This opens up opportunities for flexible, work-from-home positions. But here's the kicker. Learning QuickBooks is not just about mastering the software itself. It's about understanding the underlying accounting principles. It's about understanding how financial transactions impact a business's bottom line. It's about being able to interpret financial reports and provide valuable insights. That's why employers value QuickBooks proficiency. It demonstrates that you have a practical understanding of accounting concepts and that you can apply them in a real-world setting. Now, let's talk about how you can actually acquire this valuable skill. There are numerous resources available, both online and offline. Online courses. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and LinkedIn Learning offer comprehensive QuickBooks courses, often taught by experienced accountants. QuickBooks training programs. Intuit, the company behind QuickBooks, offers official training programs and certifications. Community colleges and vocational schools. Many educational institutions offer accounting and bookkeeping programs that include QuickBooks training. YouTube tutorials. There are countless free tutorials available on YouTube, covering everything from basic QuickBooks functions to advanced features. Practice and experience. The best way to learn QuickBooks is to use it. Start by creating a sample company file and practicing different transactions. Volunteer to help a small business with their bookkeeping, or offer your services to friends and family. And remember, it's not just about learning the software. It's about building a portfolio of your work. Create sample reports, prepare financial statements, and document your experience. This will demonstrate your practical skills to potential employers. But here's a crucial point. Don't rely solely on QuickBooks proficiency. Combine it with other relevant skills to enhance your employability. Strong communication skills. Being able to explain financial information clearly and concisely is essential. Attention to detail. Accuracy is paramount in accounting. Problem-solving skills. Being able to identify and resolve financial discrepancies is crucial. Proficiency in Microsoft Excel. Excel is often used in conjunction with QuickBooks for data analysis and reporting. Knowledge of basic accounting principles. Understanding debits, credits, and the accounting equation will give you a solid foundation. Customer service skills. If you're working directly with clients, excellent customer service skills are essential. Let's address the competition question. Is everyone learning QuickBooks? While it's a popular software, not everyone is mastering it. Many people use it for very basic functionality. But if you have a deep understanding of the software and can demonstrate your ability to use it effectively, you'll stand out from the crowd. Invest in your education, build a portfolio, and network with professionals in the accounting field. The opportunities are out there, waiting for you to seize them. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.